Welcome to Timberlake Village, where comfort meets effortless Lake of the Ozarks living. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with Ron Dodge Real Estate Group, powered by RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. Come on, let's go take a look. Welcome to effortless lakefront living at Timberlake Village. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo offers approximately 1,800 square feet and is fully furnished and move-in ready. Timberlake Village is known for its quality construction, spacious units, and restricted rental policy, creating a quieter, more residential setting. The open floor plan features updated luxury vinyl plank flooring, a bright kitchen, and a spacious living area ideal for entertaining. The primary suite offers water views and a comfortable private bath with walk-in shower and double vanity. Each bedroom includes its own private bath, making this condo perfect for hosting family and guests. Community amenities include multiple pools, a clubhouse with fitness room and kitchen, playground, and trailer parking. Relax and unwind on the spacious screen deck, complete with a storage closet and grilling space while enjoying peaceful lake views. This unit includes a generous boat slip with hoist, making time on the water easy and convenient. Whether you're looking for a full-time lake escape or a second home to share with family and friends, Timberlake Village offers comfort, space, and a setting to make lake lifestyle super easy. Call me for your private showing today.